Started watching something on Netflix but didn't like it enough to finish it? Tired of seeing it in your continue watching section every time you open Netflix? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove titles from your continue watching section on Netflix. Now let's get started. To begin, go to netflix.com in your browser of choice and sign in to your account. Then click your profile icon at the top. Select Account. Scroll down to Profile and Parental Controls. Select your profile. Beside Viewing Activity, click View. Here, you'll be able to see your viewing activity. Click the Hide icon beside any title you want to remove from your viewing history, and therefore also remove from your Continue Watching section. If you want to clear out your Continue Watching section entirely, you can also click Hide All at the bottom of the page. Once you've cleared items from your viewing history, they should disappear from your Continue Watching section within 24 hours. That's all it takes to remove titles from Continue Watching on Netflix. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.